I'm going to show you how to use AI to turn your basic product descriptions into high converting, persuasive sales copy. You can also rewrite all of your products in bulk, saving yourself months of work. I'll put this content through the AI content detector to see what it thinks. I'll also show you this surprisingly impressive feature that I've never seen in the world of AI. It's pretty cool and I'll show you a little later. For now, let's jump into it. Click the link in the description to start using Promptmate. Promptmate's an AI tool that helps you generate product descriptions, enhance your blog content, optimize SEO snippets, create email marketing, and categorize content. It has a few features here that I'm going to show you, like the product description generation. This helps you generate informative and engaging product descriptions using a product URL as input. I'm also going to show you the blog content enhancement feature that helps you identify missing topics in your content compared to your competitors. I'll also run through some of the SEO tools to show you how those are. I'll give you the pros and cons and my overall opinion. First, let's start with the blog topics from the product URL. Just enter in your product URL and it'll generate 10 blog topics for that product result. These are some good looking article ideas, and these would work really well with internal links going back to this product page. So this is a great feature of this software I would start using. Here's the product description generator using the product URL. You can just enter in your product URL and it'll take your basic product description and turn it into high converting and persuasive sales copy. So here you can see it starts with your product description and it gets all the information from your website using a pretty good prompt. Then it writes a product description based on that prompt and from the information it collected from your product page. Then it refines it here a few different times. Then once you get to the bottom, you have a completely refined and polished product description that you can add to your site. So I thought this was a good looking product description. It expanded it a lot because the original one was only a few sentences. Here I have about 7 paragraphs that I can add to the product page. So I'm gonna take this product description and run it through the AI content detectors. Scriber says there's 0 chance that this text was generated by AI. Let's check out another one. Content detector said it may have AI. It has a 68% chance that it's written by AI. Though it only pointed out about 4 sentences here that it thinks is AI. So I would say this is a pretty good result. Now let's check out the more difficult one, content at scale. Content at scale says it's hard to tell if this was written by AI. It has a few sentences highlighted here that it thinks may be AI, but the rest of it looks like it was written by a human. So this is a good result for this AI content detector. It also has filters for each of the different tools you can use. So I'm gonna try out a few of these here so you can see how good this software works. So you can build backlinks with guest posting, and this will put together an email for you to send out based on the website URL you put in. So I thought that was a pretty good feature. Now let's check out the title and description generator. So I put in my URL and the keyword I want it optimized for, and it rewrites the title and description for me. I think this title could be optimized a little better, and this description is a little too long. It would get truncated in the SERP results. This is the feature that I was most impressed by. This is the business problem solver. And you just put in your business problem and it'll solve it and give you many different ways to go about solving that problem. So it explains the different hats, and here you can see the learner hat, the architect hat, the coach hat, and it gives you the purpose of each of those and the attributes for each of them. Then it helps you to apply those to your problem, and it gives you a daily routine that you could put together to better solve this problem. So I thought this was really impressive. I really like that it shows you which of these you should be doing throughout the day and at certain times, and this will help you with your problems in your business. Here's the social listening template. So you can put in your Google alert and it'll give you emerging news based on your Google alert, also on Google News. This tool worked well, but I thought it could give more of a breakdown as opposed to basically just saying there's no breaking news happening right now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the pros and cons of Promptmate. Here's the pros. The product description generator works really good. It turns basic product descriptions into high converting sales copy, focusing on the benefits of the product, and expands the description with text that's hard for AI content detectors to pick up. You can also run this in bulk with a CSV file. The blog ideas based on product URLs feature worked really good. It came up with 10 great blog post ideas related to the product, which allows me to add internal links back to that product page. I also like the business problem solver feature. It gave me a great breakdown on how to solve my business problem and a daily routine to achieve my goal. Here's the cons. The SEO tools didn't work very well. The title and description rewriter could have optimized my title tag better for the keyword. Also, the description was too long and would get truncated in the results. Another issue I ran into was pulling up previous answers. I would have to regenerate every query once I click out of it. Overall, Promptmate is great at rewriting product descriptions with compelling and persuasive sales copy and blog topic ideation based on product URLs. Click the link in the description to rewrite your product descriptions with Promptmate. Check out these other videos for AI software you should be using.